Hello and welcome to History Through Question.
Today's topic is Bhumi Chhidra Vindhyan Nyay. Here the word Chhidra, its means is cultivation. Chhidra along with the Vindhyan means its reclamation of uncultivable land for the first time. And the meaning of the word Bhumi Chhidra or its explanation is that is a rule or manner of Bhumi Chhidra, that is a fissure or furrow of soil. In simple terms, it means land fit to be plugged or cultivated. So in this way, the meaning of whole terms, that is the Bhumi Chhidra Vindhyan Nyay, is it is a right given to a person along with privileges because he brought the land, and the type of the land is Paroti, for the first time under cultivation. Okay, due to which the same person grants some tax-free grants along with the other privileges. So this is all about the this is about the Bhumi Chhidra Vindhyan Nyaya. Okay, so it simply states that it is the right given to a person along with the privileges who brought the land, the Paroti land, for the first time under cultivations. So as you can know, there are the four major types of land. First is the polage. So polage land is the most fertile land. It's the ideal type of land. It brings under cultivation every year. Okay, it brings under cultivation every year, and this type of the land never allowed to be follow, उसको कभी भी खाली नहीं छोड़ा जाता था. सेकेंड टाइप की जो लैंड है दैट इज दी परौती लैंड. अभी परौती लैंड क्या है, फर्स्ट करिए पोलस लैंड है, इसको हम बार बार यूज कर रहे हैं, हर सीजन में 2-3 बार यूज कर रहे हैं, ड्यू टू विच एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब इसकी फर्टिलिटी लॉस्ट होने लगेगी. अब यही परौती लैंड है, तो ये पोलस जो लैंड है, जब इसकी फर्टिलिटी लॉस्ट हो गई है तो इस लैंड को थोड़े टाइम के लिए छोड़ दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, सो इसको कल्टीवेशन नहीं करी जाएगी. सो इट्स लैंड केप्ट आउट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन टेम्पररी इन ऑर्डर टू रिकवर इट्स लॉस्ट फर्टिलिटी. सो यहाँ पे जो भूमि छद्र विंध्यान न्याय में जिसकी बात करी गई है, एक पर्सन उसका राइट जो ये जो पर्वती लैंड है इसको फिर से लेके आएगा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम अंडर कल्टीवेशन, तो उसको सर्टन राइट और टैक्स फ्री ग्रांट्स दी जाएगी. अदर टाइप ऑफ लैंड इज चचहर. चचहर इज अ टाइप ऑफ लैंड विच लाई फेलो फॉर 3 or 4 years in order to recover its lost fertility. Other is the बंजर लैंड विच लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ कल्टिवेशन फॉर 5 years और मोर, उसको छोड़ दिया जाता था इन ऑर्डर टू रिकवर इट्स लॉस फर्टिलिटी. बस ये जो भूमि छद्र विंध्यान न्याय है, इसमें जो लैंड की बात कही गई दैट इज द परौती लैंड. ओके, नाउ एज पर द बीसी सरकार, BC Sarkar says that this term Bhumi Chandra Vindhya Nyay means it is the right given to a person who used the Paroti land for the cultivation for the first time. Okay, but he also states that with the passage of time, this term Bhumi Chandra Vindhya Nyay is also used for ineligible lands. Ineligible lands, that is the lands not suitable for cultivation. Those lands in which the agriculture are not possible. Okay, at the same times This argument does not seems to be appropriate as per the BC Sarkar, because he states that this term, that's the Bhumi Chadra Vindhyan Nyaya, is used in the various copper plate grants, copper plates inscriptions. Among them, the most noticeable example is the Nidhanpur copper plate grant of Bhaskar Varman. Bhaskar Varman of Kamrupa first. In this grant, there is a term used, that is the Bhumi Chadra Vindhyan Nyaya. और इसका most means logical जो explanation है, that is it is the right given to a person who uses the Paroti land for cultivation for the first time, due to which certain rights are granted to him. ओके ये जो टर्म है, इट वॉज पॉसिबली बी यूज फॉर द लैंड गिवन टू द डोनी और द लैंड ग्रांटर्स along with permanent and extensive right. Okay, so this is all about the Bhumi Chhatra Vindhyan Nyaya, and now let's see one question related to the same. Which among the given statements are correct about the Bhumi Chhatra Vindhyan Nyaya? First statement says that it is the right given to a person for reclamation of an cultivable land for the first time. The land which comes under cultivation must be of polus type. Okay, now you have to choose the correct answer. In order to attempt this question, please pause the video screen and write your answer in the comment section below. So here the first statement says that it was a right given to a person for the reclamation of an cultivable land. So no, it was not an cultivable land, it was an uncultivable land, that is the Paroti land. Second statement says that the land which comes under cultivation must be of polus type. No, polus is the most fertile type और उसको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको लाने की. सो देर आर नो ग्रांट्स गिवन टू. इनफैक्ट उस पर काफ़ी टैक्स लगता था बिकॉज इट वॉज अ वेरी फर्टाइल और उसको एक साल में 2-3 बार यूज़ किया जाता था. ओके, फॉर मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. सो इन दिस वे neither one neither two, none of the given statement are correct. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day.